In this video, I'll show you the difference between a Robinhood margin account and a cash account so you can decide which one is better for you. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on your profile icon, then go to the account section where you can see whether you're using margin or cash. A cash account is the simplest option. You can only trade using the money you actually have in your account. There's no borrowing, so your risk is lower. It's a good choice if you're just starting or want to keep things safe and easy. A margin account, on the other hand, lets you borrow money to trade. Go to the margin section in your account, and you'll see your buying power increase because of borrowed funds. This can help you take bigger positions and potentially make more profit, but it also increases your risk and you may have to pay interest on the borrowed amount. Margin accounts also allow faster trading since you don't have to wait for funds to settle, while cash accounts may have some limits on how often you can trade. If you want safety and simplicity, a cash account is better. If you're more experienced and understand the risks, a margin account can give you more flexibility. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.